The Guyana Police Force Thursday evening said it noted with serious concern the allegations made by attorney Nigel Hughes, who represents Glaston Henry, in the Haresh Singh murder case. Hughes claimed that an insufficient investigation was done as it relates to several alibi witnesses and that it amounted to a miscarriage of justice. In setting the facts straight, the police said that during a video interview conducted on June 26 and another the following day with Glaston, he exercised his right to remain silent on each occasion. Police said at no time did he inform them that he had an alibi or that he was elsewhere during the time of the murder. According to the police, belated claims by Hughes and family members that Glaston was at home cannot be supported. The eyewitnesses claim that Glaston was at home with the very person, Philip Anderson, who was co-charged along with Glaston for the murder. It was Anderson who, in a confession statement, implicated Glaston. Additionally, the eyewitnesses claim that Glaston was at home to watch the live stream of the autopsies of his brother, 16-year-old Isaiah Henry, and his 19-year-old cousin, Joel Henry, who were brutally murdered the weekend prior. They claimed an investigating rank, Inspector Sarbo, was there at the time and could prove same. But in the police's rebuff, evidence was provided to prove that neither was Sarbo at the number 3 village home, nor was the autopsy live streamed. The police said, according to their recording, it showed Glaston's father briefly entered and exited the Memorial Gardens funeral home where the post-mortem examination was being conducted for the sole purpose of identifying the body of his son, Isaiah Henry. This is in keeping with the standard operating procedure. The police said although the alibi witnesses appeared during a press conference on Thursday, they never presented themselves to be interviewed. Rather, only signed statements dropped off by Hughes. Police say they are now in pursuit of all the alibi witnesses in connection with alleged attempts to pervert the course of justice. The police maintain that it discharged its mandate in completing the investigation and sending the file to the Director of Public Prosecutions for legal advice. Therefore, to indicate that the charge is a miscarriage of justice is wholly unmeritorious and can only be viewed as a desperate and deliberate attempt to pervert the course of justice, the police said. Glaston, along with 3 others, are expected to appear at the Blairmont Magistrates Court on July 12, 2021.